Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in today's video we are going to discuss the practice questions of CSAT, which is related to analogy. So the very first question is 10.5 comma 15 comma 21.5. So here the options are 32.5, 37, 43.5, and the second one is 54.4, 58, 62.4. And third one is 62.2, 66.8, 73.3. The fourth one is 81.3, 85.3 and 92. So here we have to find out which option suits the given set. So first let us find out what is the relationship that the given set carries. So here it is given that 10.5, 15.0, 21.5. So here first let us find out the common relationship between these three numbers. So now I am taking the second number and first number difference. So here the difference is 4.5. And now I am taking the third number and second number difference, and the difference is 6.5. So let's see which option carries the same difference. So the very first option is 32.5, 37 and 43.5. So the second, if we find out the difference between second and first number, which is 37 minus 32.5, and the difference is 4.5. And the difference between third and second number is 43.5 minus 37, which is 6.5. So this option carries the same relation, so this option can be the answer. Let us check out the other options as well. So the second option is 54.4, 58 and 62.4. So subtracting second number from that is 58 minus 54.4, and the answer is 3.6. And now subtracting third number from the second is 62.4 minus 58. So the answer is 4.4. So this option doesn't suit the relation. Now checking the third option, which is 62.2, 66.8, 73.3. So subtracting second, which is 66.8 minus 62.2, we get 4.6. And subtracting third, 73.3 minus 66.8, we get 6.5. So this option also doesn't satisfy the given set. And the last option is 81.3, 85.3 and 92. So if we subtract 85.3 from if we subtract 81.3 from 85.3, the answer is 4. And subtracting third number, we get 92 minus 85.3, and the answer will be 6.7. So this option also doesn't satisfy the given pattern. So the option is 1, which is 32.5, 37 and 43.5. So I hope you have understood this. Now moving to the second question. The question is 12, 20 and 28. So the options are 3, 5, 18. And the second option is 18, 27, 72. Third option is 18, 30, 42. And fourth option is 7, 14, 28. So first let us find out what is the pattern that this question carries. So here question is 12, 20 and 28. So if we subtract 12 from 20, we get 8. And if we subtract 20 from 28, we get 8. So here the difference between two numbers is same. Now let us check the option which option have the same difference. So the first option is 3, 5 and 18. So the difference between 3 and 5 is 2, and the difference between 18 and 5 is 13. So this option doesn't suit the pattern. And the second option is 18, 27, 72. So the difference is 27 minus 18, which is 9, and 72 minus 27, which is 45. So this option also doesn't satisfy the pattern. And now third option is 18, 30 and 42. So the difference between first and second number is 12, and similarly the difference between second and third number is also 12. So this satisfies the given pattern in the question. So this will be the answer. And checking the fourth option, the option is 7, 14 and 28. So the difference between first and second number is 7, and the difference between second and third number is 14. So this option doesn't satisfy. So the answer will be 18, 30 and 42. Now the third question is 8, 56 and 72. And the given options are 7, 56, 63, 3, 15, 24, 6, 42, 54 and 5, 30, 35. So first let us find out what the relation that the question carries. So here if you carefully see, the numbers are multiples of 8. That is, the first one is 8 ones are 8, and the second number, which is 56, is multiple of 8. That is 8 sevens are 56, and the third number, that is 72, is 8 nines are 72. So here the second and third numbers are multiple of 8, that is 7 and 9 multiples. Now let's check the option. So the first option is 7, 56 and 63. So the first number comes as 7 ones are 7, and the second number is 7 eights are 56, and the third number is 7 nines are 63. But in the question we have got the second and third number as multiples of 8, which are 7 and 9, but here we have got 8 and 9. So this option doesn't suit the question pattern. Now checking the second option, which is 3, 15, 24. So the multiple of first one is 3 ones are 3. The second one can be obtained by 3 fives are 15, and third one can be obtained by 3 eights are 24. So this also doesn't follow the pattern. So this is not the answer. And now let's check the third option, which is 6, 42 and 54. Those of the first number is 6 ones are 6, and second number can be obtained by 6 sevens are 42, and third number can be obtained by 6 nines are 54. So this option follows the same pattern that the question has. So the answer is third option. Let's check the fourth one as well. So the fourth option is 5, 30 and 35. So first number can be obtained by 5 ones are 5. The second number is 5 6 are 30, and the third number can be obtained by 5 sevens are 35. So this also doesn't follow the pattern. Now moving to the fourth question. The question is 392 is to 28. Similarly 722 is to question mark. So here the options are 18, 28, 38 and 48. So first let us check the first set. So let us see what is the sequence that the first set carries. So here the first set is 392 is to 28, right? So taking the LCM of 392, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 6 are 12. And again taking the LCM of 196, we get 14 fourths. That is, so 392 is the result of 14 square into 2. So similarly 28 can be written as a multiple of 14, which is 14 2 is 28. So here the pattern is, first number is the square of, so here the pattern is x square into 2, first number, and the second number is x into 2. Similarly, following the same pattern, let us find out the second one. So here the second number is 722. If we take the LCM of 722, so here 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. And this 361 can be written as square of 19. So here 722 is 19 square into 2. Similarly, here in the place of x we have got the value as 19. So to obtain the number in the question mark, we have to put x into 9. So here we have got x value as 19. So if we multiply 19 into 2, the answer is 38, which is option number 3. Now moving to the third question, the question is 123 is to 36. Similarly, 221 is to question mark. So the options are 52, 69, 72 and 25. So here the first set is 123 is to 36. So carefully if you see here, the second number, that is 36, is a square of 6. So 36 can be written as the square of 6. So if you see the first number, which is 123, if you add this 123, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, we get answer as 6. So after adding the numbers in the first one, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, we have got 6. And the second number is the square of the first number. So second number is obtained by squaring this 6. Similarly, 221 is to question mark. So in the place of question mark, if you add this 221, the answer that is obtained after 221 will be the square. So here 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So 5 square is 25 and our answer is 25, which is option number 4. I hope you have understood it. Now coming to the sixth question, the question is 64 is to question mark. Similarly, 72 is to 53. So the options are 44, 54, 52 and 70. So we have to find out the first set. So first let us find out the relation that contains in the second set. So the second set is 72 is to 53, right? So here 72 can be written as 7 plus 2, which is 9, and 53 is 5 plus 3, which is 8, right? So the difference between 9 and 8 is 1. Okay. Now here we have to find out the first set. So the first set is 64 is to question mark, and if we add 6 plus 4, it is 10. And in the previous set, that is in the second set, we have seen the difference between two numbers 9 and 8 is 1. So here after adding 6 plus 4, we have got 10, right? So in order to get the number in the question place, if we get the answer as 9, then that will be the correct answer, because here you have seen the difference is 1. So here the number is 10, and here in the question mark place, if you add the numbers, you have to get the resultant as 9. So then only the answer is correct. Okay, if we check the option, the first option is 44. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and this is not the right option. And the second option is 54. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and this will be the correct answer. And the third option is 5 plus 2, which is 7, and this is not correct. And the fourth option is 7 plus 0, which is 7. So the option is 2, which is 54. Now the seventh question is CFIL is to ORUX proportionally DGJM is to question mark. So the options are option 1 HJLN, option 2 NQST, option 3 PSVY, option 4 RTVX. Now before solving this, let us write the alphabets and give number to them. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now below this we are going to write remaining alphabets, that is N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now we are going to give numbers to them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and giving them in reverse order, that is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, so I have already told you in my previous lectures that whenever we are solving alphabet based questions, we have to definitely write these alphabets so that it will be very easy for us to solve the problems. Now let us find out the relation that is given in the first set, that is CFIL ORUX. So I have written it as like this. So for C they have given O. Let us see what is the difference between C and O. So counting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the difference between these two is 12. That is, for C, if you add 12, you got O. And now let's check the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for this also they have added 12. And the next third one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for last one it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for all this they have added 12. So similarly, if we add this 12 to DGJM, what is the answer? Let us see. So for first one, that is D, if we add 12, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. P. And for G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is S. For J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is V. And for M, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the option is PSVY, which is number 3. And now the 8th question is C3F6 is to I9 L12 proportionally K11 N14 is to question mark. So the options are O15 R18, option number 2 R18 U21, option number 3 Q17 T20, option number 4 L12 O15. So first let us see the relation that first set carries. So the first set is C3F6 I9 L12. So here let us see for C what is the relation with I. So if you count here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you add 6, you get I. And for the difference between 9 and 3 is 6. That is, if you add 6 to 3, you get 9. And similarly, the relation between F and L is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So similarly, if you add 6 to the other number, you get 12. So for this, they have added 6. Similarly, when you add 6 to K, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Q. And if you add 6 to 11, you get 17. And if you add 6 to N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get T. And if you add 6 to 14, you get 20. So the answer is option number 3, which is Q17 T20. Now moving to the 9th question. The question is 24 is to 48. Proportionally 14 is to question mark. So the options are 28, 24, 14 and 30. So here they have given the first one in Roman letters and the third one in Roman letters. If you convert that, 24 is to 48, proportionally 14 is to question mark, right? So if you carefully see the first set, So the first number, if you multiply it with 2, you get the second number, that is 24 into 2 is equals to 48. So here they have doubled it. Similarly, if you double 14, that is if you multiply 14 with 2, you get 28. So the option is 1, which is 28. I hope you have understood it. Now moving to the last question, which is 600 is to 2000. Proportionally, question mark is to 9000. So the options are 3000, 3600, 2700 and 5600. So first let us find out the relation between first set. So the first set is 600 is to 2000. Okay. So here if you see, we can write 600 as 20 into 30 and we can write 2000 as 40 into 50. Right, here I have split this whole number into two parts and this whole number into two parts. Okay. So if you see here carefully, it is 2 and 3, 4 and 5. That is, here the numbers are in continuation. So similarly we get the numbers in the second set or in the continuation process. So in second set we have question mark is to 9000. First let us split this 9000. So this 9000 can be split into 90 into 100, because here I have already told you that the numbers are in continuation. So here 9 and 10 are in continuation. So here the answer will be in continuation. That is, before 9 we get 8. So here 80 into 70. So here 7 and 8 are the continuation number. So 70 into 80 is nothing but 5600. So the option for this is 4. So I hope you have understood all the questions, and